Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a binary Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 16th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday, October the 14th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So now I will continue with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 7281. 7281. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, I believe, 28 printed digits. 28 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 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 A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And double O, here one, there one. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. Well, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then I need to think. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, we have 5 1s. Sorry, correction. 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 4 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles in additional of Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.